YouTube, not your average trucker, back at it again. It's 2026. It's 2026. Y'all know I like EVs. Y'all know I have a fleet of semi trucks. But guess what? It's 2026. There's a lot of special people on the planet, right? When I say special people, I mean people that might drive in front of you, whether you're in your semi, whether you're in your personal vehicle, slam on their brakes, you run into the back of them. People that run red lights and run into you. People that push shopping carts your way in the parking lot and the shopping cart hits you. But you know what you should have that will help you in situations like those? DashCam. It's 2026. If you're not riding around with a dash cam, whether in your work vehicle or in your personal vehicle, you are behind the game. You know, a lot of carriers out here have cameras on us drivers anyway to make sure we're not texting and driving or doing things we shouldn't be doing in a semi truck. But fleet owners such as myself install dash cameras in every semi I own because I want to make sure people like quick paydays, right? It's people in four-wheelers that do all types of silly stuff. By four-wheelers, I mean cars, personal trucks, personal vans, etc. They like colliding with semi-truck drivers because they think they're going to get millions of dollars in insurance settlements. So you have people that brake check semi-trucks, people that cut us off in traffic, slam on their brakes, we hit them. But guess what? Today, I have with me Botslab G980H. Botslab G980H. This is a dash cam that I install in majority of my fleet. This is a dash cam I've installed in my daughter's car, in my son's car, because it has 360 degrees of coverage. It covers out your front windshield. It covers out your rear windshield. Then it has two cameras on the left and right where you can let it view your blind spots, or if you're an Uber driver, Lyft driver, any kind of ride share, taxi service, etc., you can let it view your passengers. 360 degrees of coverage. Botslab 980H. Game changer. If you don't have one of these, you are behind. Get you one. Botslab 980H. 4K quality video. It's 2026, man. If it ain't 4K, it ain't right. 4K video. Super fast transfers via 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So you can transfer it from the camera directly to your phone in order to share footage with the police or with the person anybody that needs it. It's easy to transfer it. You have a micro SD card slot where you can save video to it. It has crash detection. It has theft detection. So once you wire it up, you walk out of your car, you're inside Walmart buying your Gatorade and your Mountain Dew. You're just chilling. You come back out, you realize there's a dent in your driver door. How did it get there? Well, with your Botslab 980H, it records when the vehicle's not running. It will detect that something hit your vehicle, instantly record before and after, so you can see who hit you with that shopping cart. Was it the shopping cart monster, or was it some mean kid that pushed that shopping cart into your car, or just a hater that was mad that you was in that Cadillac on D's? You heard? Botslab 980H. Personal vehicle, business vehicle, rideshare vehicle, bicycle, motorcycle. Put it wherever you need to record, in front of you, behind you, to the left of you, to the right of you. All right, so here we are. We have the Botslab 980H. I'm going to install this in one of this is a Volvo day cab, just so you can see what it looks like in a tractor. Let's do it. really quick. Installed this in a Volvo day cab. Obviously, I will clean it up in a moment. Just wanted you all to see how it would be. It would be kind of pointless to have the rear camera there once I have a trailer, but this is just to prove a point. As you can see, you have multiple video modes. It's showing the left, right camera, obviously the front and the rear, all in one view. So you can have that looking directly at your driver. You can have that one looking directly at the passenger or out the window itself. Very crystal clear. Like I said before, this is a 4-channel, has 4 built-in GPS, has voice controls, a 3.18-inch touch screen, literally everything you can ask for. Just got to clean it up for a semi. Video quality appears terrific. So in your quick start guide, it gives you all the instruction on how to install it. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's all plug and play. But then they have a QR code that you scan with your phone so that you can download their app so that you're able to see what's going on with your device, as well as transfer your files, you know, directly from the DashCam to your phone. But you also have, you know, the removable SD card that it comes with. So you have a multitude of ways of viewing and sharing your files. And the app is pretty self-explanatory. Don't know if it's coming through on the camera or not. Have to log in. But anyway, once you sign in, it's going to ask you to scan the barcode, which is that on back of your camera, and then it'll connect to it, give you this screen where you you know, connect to everything. It's pretty self-explanatory. You connect to it via Bluetooth. It's going to search for the device. It'll find the device.
Bluetooth device connected.
It'll tell you on the camera itself that it's connected. Your phone will also say that it's connected. And then bada boom, bada bing, you're in the game. At this point, you can look at a live view so you can see what, you know, your camera is seeing at a given moment. It's the first time I've connected to it with this phone, so this phone has a couple of extra steps, which means it's going to ask you, hey man, are you sure? Because they're trying to make sure nobody else is connected to your device and doing some weird stuff. But once you do that, boom, now you see a live view of your camera. You can do a screen record. You can cycle through, make each camera the main. So right now, obviously the front cam is main. Boom. You know, then you can back out of that. I'm sorry, man, I never used this phone to do it. You can cycle through your other cameras. This is my rear view camera. This is the left camera. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? That's the right camera, what we have pointed at the passenger seat. And like I said, man, it's very self-explanatory, man. No complaints. In a moment, I'll take a quick little ride around the circle so you can see the quality of the video. And we'll go from there. Not your average trucker. Again, this is the Botslab G980H. 360-degree dash cam. Botslab 980H multi-channel. Use my coupon code for a discount. These things are always on sale. I think the base price might be 99 bucks. Use my discount code. Get it for even cheaper than that, you heard? Alright, as you can see, I'm driving down the road now. I'm just in a, well, not even in a road, I'm just in a parking lot. But this is what the camera is feeding while I'm in motion. Mind you, I'm bobtail in a parking lot. Oh man, I'm not driving. But you can see everything you need to see on your handheld and your app, as well as on the screen itself. I'm gonna turn around and get out of these people's way, and we upload the footage here in a moment. Alright, here's a brief setup of it in one of my personal vehicles. Works just fine. Obviously, I would have to hide the wires if I was going to keep it that way. But this particular vehicle, as you can see, already has cameras all in it. This is a Cadillac Escalade IQ, so I have all the cameras I would need anyway. However, just to give you a demo, this Botslab G980H still does it all. Alright, in conclusion, the Botslab G980H is a definite go. It's daughter approved. It's dash cam approved. Get you one, get you two. Get one for everybody you know. Not your average trucker. Botslab G980H.
DashCam is great. You should buy it.